So when I started cleaning up, by turning this, I could feel there was a little bit of drag, a little catch or something. So I did hit it with some liquid wrench or lubricating oil, and it really it seemed to free up. I also kind of scraped off any of the pitch on the inside where the blade is, less drag, so that feels smooth now. And I put some liquid wrench underneath there where it goes down into the router, so the shaft, and now it seems to turn much more consistent and easier. So maybe there was something kind of binding up on it. You'll have to keep an eye on that. Hopefully it's not going bad, but right now it doesn't feel loose. Like I don't feel any wobble in the shaft, so that's really good. Okay, I think I'm going to get some hardwood and do a little hardwood piece on it first. It's a trick that my friend does on his planer when he gets a little chip of pine in there, a little hardwood to take it out. Maybe that'll clean off these blades a little bit more because the hardwood is going to not have the pitch. And then I'm going to switch over and get working on our wood shop outside today.